मायावश्वर्ति विश्वमिखिलं ब्रह्मादिदेवासुरा यत्सत्पाद मृषैव भाति सकलं रज्जो यथा हि भ्रमः यत्पादप्लवमेकमेव हि भवां बोधिस्तीक्षावतां वन्देऽहं तं शेषकारणपरं रामाख्यमीशं हरिम् नानापुराणनिगमागं सम्मतं यद् रामायणे निगदितं क्वचिदन्यतोऽपि स्वान्तसुखाय तुलसी रघुनाथ गाथा भाषानिबद्धमति मधुरमातनोति। I adore Lord Hari, known by the name of Sri Ram, who is superior to and lies beyond all causes, whose elusive power holds sway over the entire universe, including gods from Brahma downwards to the demons, whose presence lends positivity, reality to the world of appearances, even as the false notion of a serpent is entertained with reference to a rope, whose feet are the only bark of those who are eager to cross the ocean of mundane existence. For the gratification of own self, Tulsidas brings forth this very elegant composition relating in common parlance the story of the Lord Raghu, which is in accordance with the various Puranas, Vedas and Agamas, it means Tantras, and incorporates which has been recorded in the Ramayana of Maharshi Valmiki and culled from some other sources.